Hello everyone. Today we will start with a new chapter 2, sexual reproduction in animals. Last time we talked about reproduction and now we will start with sexual reproduction in animals. Our objectives for this lesson are to distinguish between vertebrates and invertebrate animals, and the second objective is to name the parts of the egg. So let's start. Reproduction in birds. We learned that reproduction is a mean by which living thing ensures the continuity of its kind and increase its number of generation. All birds are vertebrates. Vertebrates means فقريات. Okay, they have a vertebral column يعني عندهم عمود فقري. Those birds, they reproduce sexually by laying eggs. Eggs are produced inside the female, then deposited in a nest. So, first we have to know that birds are vertebrates. They have a vertebral column and they have bones. So, they reproduce sexually. They reproduce and sexual reproduction. So how they reproduce sexually? Last time we talked about sexual reproduction, which is the union of the sperm and the ovule. قلنا إنه السبرم بفوت على قلب الأوفيول. So we have a fertilized egg. This sexual reproduction occur and we obtain eggs. So those eggs, they are found or they are produced inside the female. Then the female bird will put this egg in a nest. Okay. Scientists classified the animals based on the backbone or the vertebral column into vertebrates. They are animals that have a vertebral column. Vertebrates, they are animals that have عمود فقري. عندهم عمود فقري, such as birds, mammals, and humans. Okay, so these are the mammals. Those are the reptiles, amphibians, birds, fish. The invertebrates are animals that lack the backbone. So those insects, worms, snails, they don't have bones. They don't have vertebral column. They don't have a skeleton. So they are invertebrates. They don't have bones. Sexual reproduction in animals. Sexual reproduction in animals is in birds, in insects, and in mammals. So birds, insects, and mammals have sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Today, mainly, we will talk about birds and eggs. Eggs are laid by the females and incubated for a time that varies according to the species. So those eggs are laid by the female bird and incubated يعني بتحضنن. So the female bird sit on these eggs بتقعد عليهم بتحضنن for a certain time. This time varies بيتغير هيدا الوقت from one species to another. Those eggs differ in shape, color, and size. The size of the egg depends on the size of the bird. So, let's see. This is a chicken, this is a quail, and this is ostrich. So, if we see the egg of the chicken is bigger than that of the quail, whereas the egg of the ostrich is bigger than both of the quail and the chicken, because the size of the ostrich is bigger than the chicken and the quail. So, and if we look, the color and the shape of each egg is different, because those are different species. They are different animals, so they have different sizes in the eggs and different colors and different shapes. This is an oval, but this is somehow a round egg. So, parts of an egg. An egg basically consists of three parts: the eggshell, الغلاف الخارجي of the egg, the egg white, and the egg yolk. So, if we look at this, this is the outer shell, which is the eggshell. Now, if we look to the egg, we can see that this one is the shell, this is the yolk, the yellow color, part of the egg. This is the egg white. Okay, this is the inner membrane. This is the air cell, and this is the outer membrane. So the main parts of the egg are the outer one, the eggshell, which is this one, and the white one, and the yellow one, which is the egg yolk. So the eggshell, it consists of thousands of pores to ensure the passage of air into and out of the egg, allowing the fetus to respire in the egg. So it consists of thousands of pores. Pores يعني فتحات. Those pores, هودي الفتحات ensure يعني بيساعدوا أو بيحسنوا أو allow بيسمحوا to the passage of air للهواء to pass into and out of the egg, so that the fetus الجنين inside this egg can respire. The eggshell is thick and hard. هي سميكة وقاسية. Thus it is important for protection. Protection يعني الحماية. So it protects the fetus. It consists mainly of a substance called calcium carbonate. هيدا الشell is consists of calcium carbonate. The egg white consists mainly of water, and it is rich in proteins. So the egg white, it is water and proteins, so the fetus can feed from this egg white. And the egg yolk has much lower amount of water than the egg white. It has water, but not as the egg white. Egg white has a lot of water compared to the egg yolk. It is rich in fat substances, so it is rich in fats. So, as a revision, we see that the eggshell, it is for protection of the fetus, and it allows the respiration of the fetus by the presence of pores. بتسمح للتنفس of the للجنين because it has pores عندها فتحات. Egg white, it consists mainly of water and proteins, while the egg yolk, it has a small amount of water, but it is rich in fats. By this, we reached the end of our lecture. Hope you all are safe. Please, if any one of you have any question, feel free to ask on WhatsApp. Thank you.